bike should not be facing that way. I'm gonna go back and see if it's okay. You alright? You okay?
Yeah. Broke down.
Ah.
Have to get it to the garage.
I just fucking seen your bike going the other way. I was like, your bike shouldn't be facing this way.
That's a nice bike.
Thank you. What happened? It just died?
Yeah. It's brakes and everything.
Ah, shit. It sounds like battery or a starter.
Yeah, I think it's the battery.
Do you want to try push it?
You want it?
Don't mind.
Yeah.
How did you get it down the ditch?
Yeah, I know.
Go on, I'll give you a hand from the back.
What happened? I just took it off from the mechanics.
Yeah. I don't think we're going to get it up there. If you want to put it on its stand, we can turn it. Yeah, see where we can. Where'd you push it from? Where'd you push it from?
No, just there.
Just there.
You know where Hashborn motorcycle is?
I don't know where it is. I think it's in there.
Yeah,
yeah.
I'll try. Put it in first gear. See.
Yeah.
How long have you been riding bikes?
Huh?
How long have you been riding bikes?
About 5 years.
You go then.
Ah.
I think it's a compressor.
Oh yeah, batteries.
Battery, is it?
Completely fucked, I think, yeah. I'd say give them a call.
I did.
And what did they say?
I asked you to bring it back to me.
That's very good, isn't it? Fucking hell. I'd say the easiest thing, don't push it in the grass, just push it up there.
Yeah, but the car's coming with their mind.
Fuck them. You're in the hard shoulder, they shouldn't be here in the first place.
Yeah, I think I'll push it because there is gonna be.
No, they just push it up here. Like I think they're just past the petrol station, aren't they? Yeah, so like I think the hard shoulder kind of stays there because of the trucks. So I think you might be okay.
Okay, hopefully.
Fuck. Oh, shit, man. I can't help you out.
Yeah, thanks for that. Because I was thinking like, just no way.
Yeah.
I'll put this on just in case I get hit by a truck.
But yeah, like as you said, there's no fucking point waiting for insurance. I'm gonna take an hour.
Yeah.
Here, we'll turn.
Yeah, no, that will be.
We'll turn it around anyway, and you can just push it up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There was.
Joys of a light little bike.
Oh, nice. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let us start going.
Yeah, just push to him, and you should be fine.
Yeah.
Shit, I can't fucking help anymore, but
Yeah, no, that's fine.
yeah.
That's fine.
It's alright.
Right.
Alright.
Thanks.
No problem, man. Good luck. Thankfully, though, the bike shop's just there.